Hey guys, Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're going to take a look at our hood protectors. Now these aren't your grandpa's hood protectors. These are modern hood protectors for modern trucks. These are thermoformed specifically for your vehicle to make sure they follow all the factory body lines perfectly. They're going to protect your hood against any kind of debris, whether you're on the trail, on the road, flying gravel, or flying bugs. Constructed from durable high-density thermoplastic, this hood protector is built to handle flying rocks, debris, and harsh driving conditions while helping preserve your truck's factory paint. Engineered with UV-resistant materials to help prevent fading and discoloration, ensuring a clean, consistent look even after prolonged sun exposure. Installs quickly with the included 3M automotive-grade adhesive, no drilling, no cutting, and no permanent modifications required. Available in a sleek gloss finish for bold styling or a low-profile, non-gloss finish for a subtle, factory-inspired appearance. From daily driving to extreme conditions, Rough Country's hood protector gives your truck the added layer of protection it deserves to make sure it stays looking its best. Get yours today at roughcountry.com.